In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy your WhatsApp profile link and your WhatsApp group link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, and if we want to copy our group's link, we need to get into a group where we are an admin, then tap at the very top at group's name, then scroll down until we find invite to group via link. We can tap right here, and on the next page we'll be able to copy our group's link simply by tapping where it says copy link. What that will do, that will copy this link to our clipboard. After that we can save it or share it with anybody, so we can just save it somewhere in our notes app, for example, just like that. However, what about our profile link? We can't copy our WhatsApp profile link from WhatsApp app. To do that, we need to go to our web browser and then go to create.wa.link. This website allows us to create WhatsApp profile link using our phone number. So we can just scroll down a bit and tap create a free WhatsApp link, and that's where we need to enter our phone number. We can tap at the flag, and then we can change the country of our phone number in this way, and then also we can enter our phone number, and then we need to tap at generate my link. And on the next step, it shows us our profile link. We can scroll down a bit to get the QR code, and also we can tap at copy link to copy it to the clipboard, and in the same way we can save this link somewhere or share it. That's how you can easily copy your WhatsApp link.